Hi, Han. I just wanted to show you something about the activity that you turned in. You did a great job writing your name. Now you have one, two, three more slides to do. So let me show you how to find that. So when you are in your activity, then over here, you're going to click on the different slides. So here's where you write your name. Here you would type your name. And then you can change the color if you want. Here you take a picture of yourself. And here you use this pen to draw a picture of three things that you like. And then you tap on the microphone to record your voice telling me about these things. When you're done, you're going to press the green check mark. So that's how you can finish the activity that you started. I'm going to return it to you so you can finish it. Keep up the good work.